The wheels were broken and rotten. The seats were torn and destroyed. The body was eaten by rust.
Then I removed every piece of rust.
People told me it was just scrap metal. In an old forgotten garage, I found a legend from 1910.
This car had been sleeping for more than a century.
The wheels were broken and rotten. The body was eaten by rust. The seats were torn and destroyed. The engine had not run for decades. Even the headlights were shattered. But I decided to bring it back to life.
Then I removed every piece of rust.
The wooden wheels were rebuilt from scratch.
The engine was completely rebuilt.
New leather seats were handcrafted. Every bolt and screw was restored.
The body was painted in classic black. The chrome parts were polished to shine.
The headlights were rebuilt in vintage style.
The interior was restored to original luxury.
After months of work, the moment finally came.
I tried to start the engine for the first time. And then it came back to life. I took it outside for the first drive.
People stopped to watch the legend.
This was not just a car. It was history reborn.
Follow to see more Lost Legends Reborn.
From junk to masterpiece.